Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart's weekly constituents. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you search about the application of Walmart and you'll enter here. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.